Amimi, welcome to my food diary number 3. This part of the video actually follows by the day that I went to Chongqing Laozao, the hot pot video that I posted 2 weeks ago, and I do think that it is the best hot pot place I visited so far in New York City. If you are interested about that, feel free to check it out. Then after the hot pot, we went to Tangram Mall, and there is a matcha store there, and we bought the matcha special and also peach oolong. I don't think there's much favorite for the peach oolong, and the matcha special, the ice cream was good, but there's just like too much topping at the bottom and not many ice cream, so I don't think it's worth $12 for this cup. I went to Meat Fresh to buy the ubi taro paste signature and also the egg waffle. And I have to say the egg waffle and also the dessert here is much better. It's just like 100 times better because I just love those taro balls so much. The egg waffle was really crispy on the outside and chewy in the inside. Highly recommended. Here comes another day also in Queens fishing. I have to say the fish was really spicy but also tasty, so I just like keep eating it. One bite of fish, one bite of rice, or one bite of the sweet and sour eel or the salty egg pumpkin to like calm the spiciness. After a delicious meal, of course, is dessert time. We went to Eggcellent pancake. This is the matcha soufflé pancake.
Hey Emily, it's jiggle jiggle, jiggle jiggle, jiggle jiggle. So it's so airy. Whole area.
We also ordered chocolate cream and tiramisu cream at Bubble Waffle.
God, thank you. It's so crispy.
This one is excellent. You gotta try. Last but not least, I have to end my day with a drink. I ordered a peach oolong tea and also osmanthus oolong tea.
25要一个袋子，谢谢。
Here comes the end of the video. Thank you for watching and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!